Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can watch offline on YouTube Kids. So if you want to keep your kids entertained anywhere, anytime, even if you don't have internet connections, you can follow what I do in here so that they can still watch YouTube Kids offline. So what you need to do in here, just open the YouTube Kids apps and find the video that you want to download or watch offline. But you need to know that not all video is eligible to be downloaded or watched offline. So you can click on the three dots icon. Okay, so this video, as you guys can see, there's no option to download the video. So let's find another one. Let's try this one in here. Click on the three dots icon. Okay, so there will be this option, download video. Tap on that. So YouTube Kids will downloading the video, and to find it later and to watch it offline, you can just open YouTube Kids, go to your stuff tab, click on the download, and the video that you download will be here and you can watch it offline. So thank you so much for watching. That's very much all. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.